You think you know me.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. This is a quick update video. I did the seat update a few weeks ago for my solo seat that I changed out, and the stock seat would no longer fit on there. So this is just a quick update video. Here's the stock seat that no longer fits, and here's the new Mustang passenger seat. You could tell by looking at them that the new passenger seat has a lot more padding. It looks to be a little bit shorter in length, but we're going to switch this out really quick now. All right, first thing I'm going to tell you, the instructions in the Mustang manual tell you to remove it with a 5mm. This is not a 5mm, folks. This is 6mm. So you're going to need a 5mm and a 6mm Allen wrench to do this job, because we are removing this post. You're going to have something else there now for this passenger seat, and then you're going to be reusing the rear one you did to hold the passenger seat on before. But basically we're removing that post because we no longer have one that snaps in there, and the new seat's going to slide underneath this one. But this is a 5mm that they provide you with. The one from the factory is 6mm, so their instructions are slightly wrong on that. But let's remove the other post. Again, not that big of a deal to do. Just loosen it up and pull it up. I'd say for the most part you can kind of hand tighten that in there, but you might want to snug that down after you get it in there. So that's holding your driver's seat down. We're tightening this down now. The new seat is just going to slide up underneath that, and then it's going to go in here with the old seat was. I had no issues getting this on there because it's just pushing up against the other seat. You can actually move that back. It's nice that they have the extra little bit of padding right there too, because that's where your adjustment screw is for your backrest, and it lines up perfectly. I had no issues getting it in there with my sissy bar. I was kind of worried about that, but we'll tighten that down now with the factory screw. All right, now that's attached. Again, it just pushes up against the other seat, and it has the post. That's pretty solid on there. That seat is not going anywhere. So nice addition. Nice and thick, man. I tell you, that's got a lot more padding than that stock seat would have had. But little cushion for the pushing. Looks great. I like the way this looks on the bike. It makes it look like I want to take a nice long ride. My wife might actually ride with me now. Nice to have that on there. Alright folks, thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm doing a lot of videos on installs for the Super Chief Limited I just bought. Road trip coming soon. Check out all the other videos. Check out the video for the install and the test ride I did with the solo seat and backrest. Bye for now.